Let's get started with basic features like time, date and day, which will be found right in the home screen. Go ahead and slide on your Mi Band 4 and in the weather section you will find 7 days of forecast and also the location that you're in. Alongside the basic features like this, we have the number of steps that you've walked, the amount of distance that you have passed, and also the amount of calorie that you burned. And of course you can monitor your heart rate with this device. 9 features already and it's not even a minute. Now let's go out running to the gym to have some treadmill and cycling stuff, and then let's walk back to the home. And all of these can be tracked by your Mi Band 4. That's not all guys, you can track your swimming session and exercise as well. Enough of exercise, now let's have a look at my notifications. And I can view that right from my Mi Band 4. And when you're tired of notifications, you can turn on Do Not Disturb right from your Mi Band 4. And this doesn't stop here. You can set an alarm or a stopwatch or a timer and even control your music right from your band. This is very useful for people like me who are always on music. A lot of features already, take a breath because we are just around halfway down to the journey. Alright, now you can pay with the Mi Band using Airpay. You can silent your phone right from your Mi Band, and when you lose it, just tap on the Find Device option and it will ring your phone. Awesome stuff, right? Let's enter the Mi Fit app now and count the number of behaviors that you can track from your Mi Band 4. Here we go. Jump, run, sit-ups, walk, stand, climb stairs, sit, eat, drive, transport, and you can even add a custom option. You can also track games like basketball, badminton, and ping pong, and also can perform a smart analysis on these tasks. There are tens of themes that you can choose from. Also, you can unlock the phone with your Mi Band. You will get an incoming call alert and also the information about the person that's calling you. You can set an event and the band will remind you in time. And in the app alert option, you can choose to vibrate your Mi Band whenever your favorite applications receive a push notification. You can also choose to disable it if you don't want it. And of course, you can read your SMSs right from your band's display. You can also set to notify when your goals are achieved. And when you lose the band, just tap on Find Band and it will vibrate. You do not need to tap on the screen each time you want to see the information, just lift your wrist and the screen itself will light up. Also, you can track your heart rate continuously to have a better understanding of your health. The band will track your sleep with deep sleep and other cycles. Turn on the night mode to make sure that the band doesn't disturb you at night, and the AI is likely to turn on Do Not Disturb when you fall asleep. Under the display settings, you can choose how many options you want to display on your Xiaomi Band 4. Also, you can lock your Mi Band 4 with a passcode so that nobody else can use it. And on one funny day, just drop your Mi Band 4 inside of water just to see if it's water resistant. Well, of course it's water resistant. Well, that's pretty much everything about the insane features of Mi Band 4. I'm pretty sure that I'd still miss a few of them. If I did so, let us know that in the comment section. And if you've made it this far with my video, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe.